what is El Niño and how does it happen? Firstly, we need to know what's normally happening in the tropical Pacific. This vast stretch of ocean sees consistent winds, called trade winds, that blow from east to west. These winds push warm water near the surface in their direction of travel, so the warm water piles up on the western side of the ocean around Asia and Australasia. On the other side of the ocean, around South and Central America, as the warmer water gets pushed away from the coast, it's replaced by cold water which is pulled up from deeper down in the ocean, a process called upwelling. This creates a temperature difference across the tropical Pacific, with warmer water piled up in the west and cooler water in the east. Warmer water adds extra heat to the air, which causes the air to rise with more vigour, and it's this rising air that creates an area of more unsettled weather, with more cloud and rainfall. That rising air in the west sets up atmospheric circulation across this part of the world, with warm, moist air rising on one side of the ocean and cooler, drier air descending on the other. This circulation reinforces the easterly winds, so this part of the world sits in a self-perpetuating state until El Niño begins. If conditions are right, tropical Pacific weather systems, or slow changes in the ocean around the equator, can set off a chain of events which weaken or even reverse the usual trade winds. With weakened trade winds, there's less push of warm surface water to the western side of the ocean and less upwelling of cold water on the eastern side. This allows the usually colder parts of the ocean to warm, cancelling out the normal temperature difference.
The graphics are stunning. On the left, the monster El Niño of 1997. On the right, the building El Niño of 2015. Stronger now than the build-up to the 1997 event that sent mudslides pouring down mountains and caused widespread flooding across California that left $500 million in damage. Adding to El Niño's warmer waters, the so-called Blob, that 1,000-mile stretch of ocean that's up to 5 degrees above normal temperature sitting off the Pacific coast. The warmer waters could mean winter storms would be warmer and less likely to bring a bigger snowpack to the northern Sierra. Major El Niño events nearly always mean heavier rain in Southern California, but in the North State, it's only 50-50 that winter rain and snow will be higher than average.
The major reservoirs that are responsible for water supply for the state are located in Northern California, and that's where we need the heavy precip to really help with the drought impacts that we're seeing across the state.